Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the PlayStation error code WS-121145-4. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to change their email address on their PlayStation account. Players have shared that the error pops up every time they attempt to update their email. During our research, we were unable to find any official information on the error from PlayStation. However, our research suggests that one of the possible reasons for this error could be the domain name of the email, such as ProtonMail, etc. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your system and try again. You need to simply shut down your console and wait for a few seconds, then turn it back on. After the restart, try changing the email again. If the error still comes, then try changing your email provider. If you are using any domain such as ProtonMail, switch to a more common provider like Gmail or Outlook, and then attempt the email change again. At last, if the error still persists, then we suggest you contact PlayStation support. Explain the issue and provide the error code to them and ask for resolutions. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.